On social media these days, so much of the content and the news that I see relates to influencers. Now, no doubt for me, this is influenced by the fact that I have two teenage children and by the fact that I'm teaching a law school class with younger law students and that I'm online in forums talking about intellectual property and entertainment law issues. And influencers come up quite frequently. The shocking thing that I've learned is that many of these influencers are not protecting their brands. They're not registering their trademarks. And when you think about it, to me, this is astonishing because an influencer essentially is a brand. What they are monetizing, what they are gathering likes and clicks and shares for is, sure, personality and content and entertainment. But in the end, it's all associated with their brand and with their name. And in order to be able to monetize that, to profit off of it, they ought to be protecting their brand. You see, they're using their name and brand for endorsement services and entertainment services, not unlike a entertainer in Hollywood or a radio personality or even an athlete. And we spoke recently before the Super Bowl about how Tom Brady has dozens of trademark filings and Patrick Mahomes, shockingly, has none. Same thing with influencers. There are a few who have taken the proper steps to protect their brand, but there are many, many who have not. So if you're on your way to becoming an influencer, I'm sure there's a lot to think about, but don't forget to think about protecting your brand. Because after all, if someone else was to take your name, your content, and profit from it, you would want as many tools as possible to make it as easy and quick and affordable as possible to deal with those situations, to take that content down. And registering trademarks, registering brands is a prime way to do that. If you're an influencer and you have questions about your brands, we do represent several influencers and, of course, musicians, athletes, other entertainers, very familiar with these issues. Happy to talk with you about brand protection. You know, for example, one of my clients is one of the top e-gamers in the country, esports gamers, has, so many followers on YouTube, Twitch, all of these content streams. We help protect their brands. We can help protect your brand as well.